Wash your knee, eh? Yeah, that's fucking enough for me. Fuck, that's cold. Ah! Yeah, it's cold, man. Fuck. You not gonna wash up?
This is Allison. This is Mars.
Okay.
In here, Canyon.
Okay. Just wash your
Still
feet.
recording?
I don't know, is light flashing?
Fucking light.
It's done now, Shar. It's done now. It's done now. The water's cold. I'm not gonna joke. Yeah. No. This is yours? I don't know, fuck whatever. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll go in there for sure. Yeah.
Okay, where's my mutter shirt though? Because I mean,
This is Tanya's.
alright. It's what it is, gang. I'm gonna take off my shirt.
Yeah.
I don't want to embarrass anybody and shit. But I mean,
Okay.
it's gotta be done.
That shit stays on, bro. Yeah, well you fucking try to knock out the trailer. We had a fucking headbutt competition with the grader. I saw it.
I know.
Fuck.
I felt it. I had more clearance. Like my hat. I should have my hat.
In there.
Tanya, our stuff is there, alright? Where'd you go? Stand up.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Wow. That's fucked up. Yeah. That shit messed up.
That was really funny. She literally just disappeared. Are you kidding? There was nothing there.
Fucking cold though. They're supposed to have scrum brushes, where are they? I want new soap, I don't want your dirty soap.